So you're new here and you don't know much.
Yeah.
So it's a great opportunity, but you know, you got to pace yourself. You don't even necessarily know what you like. You don't know the names of a lot of plants. I think you should walk around your neighborhood and look and check it out. What do you like? What do you not like? When you see something that you really like, just snap a picture. You know, maybe do an ID and look it up. Keep a little tally, or like, you know, make a little album on your phone of like, these are the things I really like. Then you then get a sense of your own taste. You know what I mean? What do I like? What colors? What types of things? What shape? You know, and then you also start paying attention to bloom times, and like, it's a lot of information. You know, you started with like, how do I get like on blooms from the beginning to the end? That can take years. So let's just like, let's keep it realistic, but you're in beginning stages, which is so fun. So you got to kind of think long term about, all right, it's going to take me a long time to get that, and I got to just start somewhere. And I think walking around is the perfect thing. And then you're really like, oh, I like that, or ooh, that does not resonate.
Yeah.